Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise. Wake up, wake up. The platform's waiting for you. Wake up, wake up. See what your system can do.
Good morning, HubSpot Nation. It is time to wake up customer platform with your unofficial HubSpot updates morning show, where we help you discover the platform value you already own. I'm Chris Carolan, joined by my co-host George B. Thomas. We are here every weekday morning to make sure you're not sleeping on HubSpot's true capabilities. If you're joining live, drop a hello in the comments and let us know what you're building in HubSpot. Today, happy Tuesday, September 23rd, Mr. George.
Yeah, buddy. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing all right. Doing all right.
Good.
The internet is a beautiful thing. There's been this guy named, sharing my last name, Mark Carolan,
Nice.
which we're from Ireland. So naturally, he's from Ireland, and he happens to be a transformational coach himself. I haven't ever interacted with any of his content, and LinkedIn today decided to tell me that he was going live
Nice.
on some content. So I clicked in, and the world can be very small sometimes when you want it to be. So
yeah, serendipity, I tell you. Very cool. Very cool.
yes, indeed. How was your Monday?
It was good. It was a Monday. Now we're on Tuesday, and we've got 3 more days until my birthday on Friday. So, looking forward to that, and hopefully having a little fun over the weekend.
You're gonna be like 39, like, right?
Oh, yeah. Maybe for like the second time. No, that math doesn't track. But no, we will be turning 50. There's only one of me, thank God. Turning 54 this year.
Wow, 54.
Yeah.
Even I'm behind. I was gonna say 53.
Yeah.
The world's moving quick.
I think of what's the comedian? He was interviewing Don, and he's like, "Damn!" when he told him his age. Anyway, not why we're here. We're here to talk about HubSpot updates.
Yeah. Well, let's get into that. And yesterday I did the clicking on the new to you thing. So I'm going from the all update screen, and just like some behind the scenes here. Like, I would love to just come from this page every day.
Yeah.
Right. But HubSpot does this thing where they like sneak in these updates where they're dated like a week or two ago, but we haven't seen them yet. So that's why I've been sticking to the new to you. But before we do that, if you are excited for the Smart CRM Hug today, there's been a change of plans. As the speaker isn't able to make it, but Deanna is going to move forward. And I'll say, like, when she says worst case, we'll be having an impromptu networking or feedback session. This is a moment where if you're looking to meet others and maybe get a little FaceTime in front of 100 people and interact and share what drives you inside of the ecosystem, it's anybody's ball game in these moments. And you can get on and share your feedback and share your story in a way that is very hard to do otherwise. So I would if you were signed up for today, has turned into a different kind of opportunity, for you to come and learn and grow. So still check that out. Don't forget about our HubSpot helpline. I need to work on saying the phone number that people can call in and leave messages. 1-857-575-9526. Give us a call, leave us a message. And we will solve the problem. We'll do our best to solve the problem real time on air. You can check out last week's episode to see exactly how that works. As we worked on how to manage I think buyer intent and segments and how to make that look good. And then if you're interested in loop marketing measurement, Danielle Urban and I had a great conversation yesterday about what that might look like for most organizations, including all of the qualitative and immeasurable things that you want to keep track of too. So we'll hit the updates today. We've got remove white space and format casing in text properties.
Nice.
Currently in private beta, what is it? You can now automatically remove extra white space and apply consistent casing like uppercase, lowercase, or title case to your text properties.
Wow. Why does this matter? Clean, reliable, and organized CRM data enables more accurate reporting, automation, and personalization. Desired formatting ensures consistency with your unified data by automatically applying consistent rules to text properties. For example, you can now make sure that names use title case, custom tags stored as properties are all uppercase, zip codes have no white space. And what's crazy, Chris, is who gets it? All hubs and tiers.
Yes. Well, it's needed. One of the most frustrating things when integrating other systems is running into this white space wall because for whatever reason the values aren't matched, because this system over here has been automatically taking them out, but when it sends it over, it adds a bunch of white space. So that's exciting. But also being able to format, and I don't know if I would want to automatically make things uppercase, but hey, if that's your use case,
you have the preference, but
you like yelling at people inside your CRM.
Yeah, only if you hit the beta though. Do you have the option?
So
hit that beta.
We've got a high impact sunset coming. What is it? Scheduled for sunset on October 31st, 2026.
Halloween.
So you got a year, 2026, not 2025.
Yeah, spooky.
What is it? Starting June 16th, 2025, so a few months ago now, classic CRM cards will enter deprecation ahead of their full sunset on October 31st, 2026. Classic CRM cards have been a part of HubSpot for more than a decade, but they are static, limited to the right sidebar, and support only a few standard CRM objects. I think we could say more than a few at this point, but as we continue to modernize, we are shifting focus to interactive app cards built with React, powered by new UI extension capabilities that offer richer, more flexible experiences and have seen stronger developer adoption. From June 16, 2025 onward, new apps submitted to the app marketplace cannot include classic CRM cards for listing or certification. You will no longer be able to add classic CRM cards to the HubSpot UI. And existing marketplace apps using classic CRM cards can continue using them until October 31st, 2026, after which they must migrate to app cards. Additional resources and guides will be published ahead of the sunset date to support migration.
Yeah, I don't know about anybody else, but when I see cannot include and seen stronger development adoption, well, of course. Anyway, why does it matter? Classic CRM cards will be phased out starting on June 16th, 2025. After this date, you will no longer be able to add classic CRM cards to the HubSpot UI, and new apps will not be permitted to include them. Existing marketplace apps that currently use classic CRM cards will remain unaffected until October 31st, 2026, when the cards will be fully retired. Due to this transition, you will need to migrate to app cards, which offer more advanced capabilities. App cards provide dynamic interaction, support across more CRM objects, and greater flexibility compared to the static and limited classic CRM cards. By adopting app cards, you can ensure their application are built on a modern, future-proof foundation that will continue to receive support and innovation. Man, maybe we should future-proof our life so we can continue to receive support and innovation too. That might be nice. But these cards are definitely a good thing.
Yeah, definitely a good thing. And might be another case of separating the people who build for HubSpot
Yeah.
from the people that just kind of see HubSpot as another channel for their app.
Yeah.
But yeah, take advantage, like leverage the HubSpot functionality, please.
Mhm.
Next on the list, app settings powered by UI extensions.
Okay.
What is it? Use UI extensions tech stack to build powerful custom UI experiences for your app settings page. This allows developers building public or private apps to build interactive settings for their app's user. Developers will be able to build these experiences using the same tools that they use to build app cards. And this enables them to build contextual settings pages based on a user's role, permissions, team, and much more.
Why does it matter? Who the heck knows? Also, what is going on with that button at the bottom? I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, fun little update. I think it matters because it's going to be a better user experience. My words, not HubSpot's, but just my thought.
Yeah. So put some effort in. Like, again, the people we're already seeing, the power apps like the Hapleys of the world and Arrows and the people who have been building for HubSpot all along. They're leveraging the hell out of this stuff, and it looks amazing.
Wow.
Such a much better experience. So
strong language in the morning.
Very cool. New install limits for marketplace apps built on the HubSpot developer platform. What is it? Marketplace apps that are created on or migrated to the new HubSpot developer platform now have customer install limits. Apps with the marketplace distribution type are limited to 25 customer installs until they are listed on the HubSpot marketplace. And apps distributed privately using OAuth are limited to 10 customers or up to 100 customers for solutions partners.
Okay, why does this matter? App partners who plan to use new features on the updated HubSpot developer platform need to account for these limits when preparing their app and marketplace listing.
Very, very interesting.
I guess.
Well, what this is saying is kind of the free party is over in terms of being able to install as many as you want that don't have to go through like official approval processes, and like they've built a great structure, and now they've got, they have standards as far as what HubSpot apps are supposed to be able to do, including experiences that we've been talking about today.
Yeah.
And this is an avenue where you don't have to do any of that, right? And what's interesting is like you would have to do a certain amount to even get approved to go to the marketplace. So now I imagine they just want Like if you're going to build an app on HubSpot, they want it to be safe and secure and follow some standard practices.
Right.
Right. So understandable. They're putting limits there, but probably some people that are going to be impacted by that.
Just maybe a few.
Yeah.
Maybe a few.
Customer agent can perform actions in your business systems. Went live yesterday. Just get on it real quick. Customer agent can now make API calls to your applications to perform simple tasks or give personalized answers to your customers by looking up their data via API.
Why does it matter? Over 50% of customer queries require support reps to perform a task in a software application, such as resetting the password or looking up order or billing information. Until now, the customer agent had to hand over such queries to human reps. Now it doesn't. Nice.
Yeah. And one of my favorite use cases, B2B order portals, self-service mechanisms. Now it's easier to do that because if you're connected to your ERP and your customer agent can see over there, you can just ask the agent for the order or billing information, and it will share it with you without necessarily having to bring it into HubSpot. I'm not sure why you wouldn't want it in HubSpot, but if that's too much integration work, as an example, like now you have another avenue to do that, available to all pro and above customers. Contact email logging rules. What is it? Contact email logging rules let admins configure their portal to automatically capture all email communications between users and existing contacts in HubSpot.
Why does it matter? The current default logging behavior only captures contact emails that are reply logged user emails, which can lead to important communications being missed in your CRM. When a contact responds to a sequence, but their email isn't logged, when you send emails from your mobile device without using the BCC address, when you forget to click log in your email client. Previously, you needed to use the forwarding address or the retroactive log button. Okay. Requiring extra manual steps to capture missing emails. Interesting.
Just make sure your users know.
Yeah, without a doubt.
And make sure the app is working on whatever system, like Outlook, as an example, that it's set up over there. Then you can start to take advantage of stuff like this.
Yes.
That's usually where the bridge is broken, at least in Microsoft land. Next up, we've got create lead scores with optional group limits. What is it? Groups within a lead score no longer require a limit, which means you can now have more flexibility when creating lead scoring rules and deciding how they contribute points to the total score. Here's what is updated. Group limits are now optional. They can still be set like before, and they can still add up to the score limit. Group limits for each group can now be set as high as the total score limit. The sum of group limits no longer need to equal the total score limit, and the sum of group limits can exceed the total score limit if required. For combined scores, group limits no longer set the fit and engagement score limits. Rather, each score will follow the score limit you set, and I've gone cross-eyed.
Yeah, why does it matter? Customers felt constrained trying to build their lead scores while managing groups and their limits needing to add up to the total score limit, rather than being able to focus on setting up rules with the best fit and engagement signals. With this update, you can now focus on one, use groups for organization and add limits if you'd like to ensure a contact company or deal doesn't overqualify too quickly, leveraging waiting. Two, setting up the max score limit that a contact or company deal can get. Three, which will be the last one unless Chris scrolls up on his screen, setting up rules flexibly for easy auto MQL logic. Doesn't matter. It was the last one anyway. Now you know why it matters.
Oh man, some good how does it work screens in here.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
A lot of screenshots.
So if this is important to you, definitely come check it out. I know it's important to many a HubSpot customer.
Yeah.
Some good things happening here. If you rely on scores, lots of flexibility. Although I'd love to hear about the use cases where the group limit can go above the total score limit and why that's okay. But yeah, all the flexibility
this morning.
Right.
I feel like I'd invite her to the Hub Heroes podcast to do a lead scoring episode if she was here this morning. This is why you don't miss people. This is why you don't miss a day. Just throwing it out there.
Last one for today.
I don't know about that one. I have one that we haven't talked about yet.
Okay, cool. Well, we hit this one yesterday, and I'm happy to hit this one every day.
Yeah.
Like, you guys got to check this out. Breeze powered property creation. What is it? Breeze can now generate custom properties for you using natural language. And just to we'll go into George's. Like, it's not like you give a sentence and then Breeze like all of a sudden the property exists, right? You have an opportunity to say, is this the property that you're looking for? And then you can change everything about it at that point. So giving it a try, there's no harm in seeing what happens after you click this generate property button. So like, please, this is one of the best ways to start understanding what Breeze can do for you, like inside of HubSpot, without any risk of actually something happening. Right? You could just cancel and not create the property if it doesn't make any sense to you.
Yeah.
But in most cases, it'll be like, oh, maybe pick drop down. It needs to be multi-check, multi-select box, and I'll add these couple options that he's missing, stuff like that. So very cool capabilities. And know that since you can do it here, you can also do it when you call them up here. Right. So
yeah. And I think we're good because I think we talked about this one that is on my list that is not on your list, which is the personalization token and email templates now support fallback values. I think we've talked about that one. If you're tuning in for the first time, you might want to go just search that in your updates to check out what's going on with fallback values. But other than that, Chris, I think we're good for today.
I think we are good. Lots of stuff going on, folks. I activated some Google Meet stuff last night and started seeing that come in for the first time. An amazing summary based on a very long call. But very cool to see. Trying to start testing a lot of these myself and understanding them.
Yeah.
You're not the only ones overwhelmed, folks. So hopefully these episodes are helpful just to say, like, maybe take a little baby step here and there to start to get your feet wet and start to try some of these really like groundbreaking. I don't think is I'm not
earth shattering. Is that better?
Right.
What are the levels of like groundbreaking, earth shattering? Like what would be the next level of that? Universe impacting? I don't know.
Yeah. There you go. That's the scale. If you want frameworks, just head over to georgebthomas.com. Yeah, not overselling how powerful like some of these are. But you got to try them. You got to get your context in the system and then watch the magic happen. Thought it was auto magical before. Now that AI is involved.
Yeah.
It's a whole new level.
New world.
That's where we'll wrap today. Remember, folks, you probably already own the solution you're looking for in HubSpot. And what was it today? It was let's remove some white space and get everything formatted properly so that AI can understand that structured data for you. Sometimes you just need to wake up to it. Join us tomorrow morning live at 7:30 a.m. Central, or catch us anytime on Spotify and Apple Music. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and let us know what capabilities you want to wake up to next. Until then, I'm Chris Carolan.
And I'm George B. Thomas.
And this has been Wake Up Customer Platform. Now go build something amazing. Have a great day, everybody.
Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise.